Okay, yeah, welcome guys to another video of today, guys. So in this video I'm going to show you a simple way, okay, how you can improvise over a worship song, how you can make a worship song sounds better and sounds cool. Okay, so make sure you stick tight to the video and make sure you watch it to the end. Make sure you don't skip any part of this video because it's going to be an interesting video for you guys. Okay, a lot of you have been giving me of these questions on how to improvise over a worship song. Okay, so I'm going to make some little explanation and clarification for you guys. Okay, all right, let's go straight into the video. But before that, if you know that it's the first time you're coming across my video, do well to hit on the subscribe button, okay, on this video, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss that anytime I upload a new video like this. Okay, if you want a one-on-one class with me, do well to chat me on the number on the screen there. I'm going to respond to you as soon as possible. All right, guys, let's move straight to the video. So here we are. We're going to be doing the lesson in the key of C. Here's the key of C. So as a beginner, as an intermediate guitarist, the first thing you always have to learn is your major scale. Try as much as possible to understand your major scale in different interval or inversions in the guitar fretboard, okay, in any of the keys. Okay, for today, so we're going to be doing the key of C. So if you come across a worship song, if you come across any song, okay, under a worship section in your church, the first thing you're going to do as a guitarist is to find the key. Okay, find the key. If the key is playing on the C, if playing on the C sharp, if playing on B. Okay, now how do you find the key? You find the key with the melody of the song. Okay, let's say if they sing songs like oh Lord my God, how excellent is your name in all the earth, how excellent is. I know many of you know the song. So at first, what you're going to do is, when the singer come up with the song, the first thing you have to do is hit your key of C from the third string here. Hit the key of C from the third string here. Okay, so now I already know my key I'm playing on now. Let's assume I didn't know the key of the singer. Okay, what I will do is I'll start by playing the scale one after the other. From this C shape now, you can just play. From there, you'll be able to know the melody of that song. When you do it like that gently, you'll be able to figure out the melody of the song. Okay, so that's the first part. The second part is when you get the key, what you have to do is stay on muting. This is how you mute. You use your index finger, this finger, to mute your string, while you go with your ring finger like this. Okay, you just place it on top of the string like this. Okay, so if the song is oh Lord my God, how excellent is your name, you know, give them the timing. Okay, play like a metronome. Tap, 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 tap. That is how I used to play then in church. Most time I even give the drummer time himself of how to start. Once a worship song is going like, you are the reason I live, you are the one for me, you are the one for me. So now just give the timing as a guitarist. Then the next thing you can do, you can play something like this. Okay, if you are using a sustain pedal, you can use your sustain pedal to pick up the notes. Now, for many of you that don't have sustain pedal, you can use your volume. Okay, lower your volume a little bit Okay. Then when you pick the string, you bring the volume up. Something like this. Okay. Okay. Once you pick the string from a low volume, you take your volume up. Look at my finger. Okay. Look at the way I'm holding my finger. Okay. See the way I'm doing my finger. I'm keeping my finger. This is my volume. You keep your finger like this. So when you play, so from there you'll be able to figure out. So that's the second thing you can start doing as a guitarist whenever a worship song is being come up. Okay. So after that, what you need to do is after figuring out maybe something like that. Me sometimes I just use normal, Okay, so if like song like that, you are the reason I live. You check the notes. You check each of the notes. You are the reason I live. You check each of the notes. We are in the key of C. Okay, that's so. Okay. Okay. So you can sound like. Now you're going to soft. Now it's from the saw to the la. So you can use your mi as a substitute note for the la. Okay, or re. Okay. To the do. I'm playing the sus2 chord. Okay. You are the reason. You are the reason. So don't be so me so you can play that's bad. Your do. So that's how you figure out playing the worship song. Whenever a note is coming up, you use that note, the note that starts the song, to improvise over that worship song. Okay. Oh Lord my God. Okay. Now this is oh Lord, okay, so what I'm playing there is a do fa mi. Okay, the song actually started from the va. So I have to use the va as a melody line, okay, to follow up the song. Let's assume, okay, we're playing over the song now. I would have played, or if you can do that like a razor, so you can do that like a razor, you can practice that on yourself, okay, figure it that, okay, know how you can figure it out, okay, just play a song over, then see how you can improvise on that, okay, it's going to sound better and sound cool, okay. Alright, thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video. I'm going to upload a new video similar to this in my next lesson.